Hi guys, I've not picked up, let me put on this extra light. I've not picked up my camera in like a week. Is it a week? Yeah. Anyway, I've just been lazy. Although I've been editing, watching movie. I and my husband are watching House of David now. And I just want to munch on something with Fanta. Yeah, that's what's going on now. Nothing much.
First minimum, I don't know. I also did some research. So this is basically what I eat most times. Chicken, egg, zobo, lots of zobo, coconut water, yogurt, and nuts. Okay, so according to what they talk, I'm supposed to put a light makeup. So do I use brush? When did I even buy 3 liters of toothbrush? Because after this now, I don't think I'll use it for anything. I bought it online, so I don't think I didn't check the size before I bought it. I need to try not to put so much oil because I kept seeing warning against that. Okay, so take it on. Then apply a light layer, very light layer. That's good. You want it to sink into all. It's 9:15. How am I already?
Ayé yí padà. You will never fail. Ayé yí padà. You will never fail. Ayé yí padà. You can never fail. Ayé yí padà. You will never fail. What you say is what you do. You're not the man that seems to lie.
All right, standing on existing protocols, let me sincerely greet our fathers that are here. Good afternoon, everyone, and also our mothers. Thank you very much. And let me also salute the authority of the school. Uh, Thank you for putting in the role of a father in nurturing resilience and shaping the future of our children. Let me start by letting you know, and you already know that though, fathers play a significant role in nurturing their children, our children resilience, in also ensuring their future are properly shaped.
That's there's an attack there for here. There's an attack there seriously for here. Serious attack. I avoid suicide now. You are being washed and followed.
Mama! Guys, how are we? I want to do my son's assignments. I've made my hair for like, I'm sure it's over a month now, and I don't know, me and hair, we fight a lot. Anything hair, we always fighting. I have waves, but I've not made them into proper wigs. I've just been procrastinating with that stuff. Maybe I should, and then I want to get the shorts, what they call it, the shorts, bob and fringe. Oh yeah, come.
Start to count 24 bubbles.
Is that what they said?
Yes.
Okay. Don't touch, mama. I need rough sheet.
This is school paper. Mommy, 16 what will I do? You're not turning 2 for 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 2 I'm supposed to circle.
You're supposed to circle.
It's even 30 I want to go and circle.
How many are you supposed to circle? 2. You see the mistake?
Yes.
Oh yeah, there's all hope is not lost. See. Oh yeah, now.
I'm looking now.
Let's divide it like this. This is 2. It's 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. And this is another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the answer. Guys, I've removed all my nails on.
But there's some left on top.
This one and this one. I had to cut it short because it was already growing out. And nails last. This one I had to force this one out and cut this one so it doesn't. I couldn't remove this one, so it doesn't injure me. I don't have time to go there. Do your assignments.
Mommy, I'm doing it.
Then do fast. Some grapes. Let me try and be civil and stop tearing nylon always in my videos. Okay. Lemon. This lemon hides well. I'm on that their chiller they work. Hey, plantain now is good in Nigeria. Plantain is turning to gold in Nigeria now. How much is this one? Jesus. 3,000 and plantain. I miss my farm. Why Money Fresh get this kind of cover? Limited edition. Eh? I put Money Fresh cover. Limited edition, and this is Dayo. You are one in a million. Thank you for every drop of care you give. Oh, customized stuffs. Okay. Oh, I don't know who Dayo is. Wipes, and then detergent. I think there's one more thing. Apple. 2 apples. I love this type of red apple. Then we have other things like tomato, pepper, and tomato, pepper, and what did you buy? Meat. I'll show you guys. Let me first of all clear this one, then I show you. Oh yeah, with this one. No, you know where we used to keep soap? In the laundry, inside that cupboard. We're gonna arrange it there. Asama selling melissa, money nana. I'm a sino, and we know me no ma. I'm a sino, and no me no mana. Asama no melissa, we know. I not give you full gist. I heard. No, I'm done videoing. Collect your juice. Let me show you for my face. Yeah, I might go. Maybe I'll clip this from. So, you guys, what happened? Why are you laughing? I've been doing some work since morning, and I'm just to bring you down small. I've been doing some. Am I in frame? I don't usually show my face most times because why you wanna see the face? Oh my God. So I had a very sad news today. Very, very sad. Anyway, let me be showing you before I'll be gisting you. Let me be showing you the things I want to show you first. I don't know why it's looking weird. Let me show you. My husband is always buying small pepper. Anyway, it's too shy to be sweet because he knows the right measurement. I'm using one hand though. I don't know why I'm not dropping my camera. Should I put it inside the sink? Let me see. I'm coming. Let me drop it inside the sink first. Okay, so as I was saying, I heard a very terrible bad news and I don't even want to share it because I just want to say in summary, this life. Yeah, this life, you get that to bill. Anyway, thank God for the gift of life and the mercy of God. It's just to be asking for mercy of God always, though, because this could have been anybody. What? I'm talking. It could have just been anybody, and I mean, how much did you buy this meat? How much did you buy this meat? 20,000 naira meat. Nigeria. Nigeria, my country. I think this is what is this? Heart. I think this is heart. The heart of a cow. And then pure beef. Okay, that's for the meat. That's how it looks. I don't know if you can see. It's much, shao. I mean, it's 20,000. It's supposed to be much. Yet it's still not much. Due to our dear Nigerian economy. So, so be living life well, and ask for the mercy of God. Because 1 minute someone is there, the next minute the person is not there, and it's just so sad how life is just so fickle. And see, no matter how you get used to news like that, it's still not a thing that you get used to. Like, no matter how much you hear such news, it's still not something you get used to, because I mean, it's still like a shock, it's still like a wake-up call to everyone, and it's just so sad. It's just so sad. I don't know. That's the only thing I have to say. I'm even angry for hearing the news. I'm angry, and now I've come to spoil people's mood with it. But it's alright. It's way. I've just been somehow. I've just been moody all day. Like, I don't even know what to make up of such terrible news. It's very. Oh, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. So that this life, this life is not just fair to people. A lot of people that this life is not just fair to. Life will be fair to me in Jesus' name. But there are some people that they just came to this life to suffer. And I'm like, what is that? Like, what is that? What was not the point? What was not the point? Yes, I know that destinies are intertwined. There's a reason why people come. They're going to play roles in people's lives and in the future to come, and destinies and all those things. But at the same time, there's no how you even hear things like that it will still make sense. It's always not making sense. I don't know, it's always not making sense, but we just thank God for the gift of life that we have and you have, and if that's what you have, thanking God. Anyway, enough of the sad gist. I don't know why this my DJI does not have. Dafeoluwa, come. The one thing that this DJI does not have is pause. Like, you know how you're recording on your phone and then you can pause the recording. It doesn't have pause. Happy to say have. Does not have now. I've not seen anything like that. I've not seen any icon that. Put this one in the cupboard in the room. Carefully, don't let your sister wake up. Small. So, as I was saying, there's no pause on DJI. It would have been nice because as I'm recording, I just want everything to be together. Well, anyway, it's still the same thing. Maybe that's why they can't add all features for this small device. The ones they even added, they tried though. They even tried. The camera is what it is. It didn't answer my name. That be the name of the camera. I didn't answer my name where. Literally, it's a very good innovation, whatever. It's very good, it's nice. Buy it. Oh yeah, carry that one. We're going to open it and